Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. As always, before we dive into this topic, if you need help with estate planning or probate, want to sit down and create a strategy session, contact me at njestateattorney.com. So, I actually wanted to bring something to your attention that happened to me yesterday. I got a call from a potential client. She was the power of attorney for her father for about 3.5 years now, and she was just done with it. Relationship with dad just went sour, so she just wanted to be done. She calls me up, how do I get out of this? So I reviewed the power of attorney, I reviewed all the documentation, and I kind of was just hit with a wall. I was like, wait, I don't get this. I'm seeing things, but is this true? I start researching. I start tearing up treatises, trying to find the answer. And I'm spending so much time. I decided to call up my buddy, Donnie, who handles more of the elder law and disability law. And I said, Donnie, I know you handle some stuff like this. Can you get out? So, interesting. And it was what my first assumption was, is becoming an attorney-in-fact for someone when you are, when you're named the attorney-in-fact in a power of attorney, it is not indentured servitude or slavery. You're not stuck with it forever. Most power of attorneys have two standard provisions in there. One is the power of assignment, and one is the power of resignation. So what are these two? The power of assignment basically says, in the power of attorney, I'm giving my rights to the attorney-in-fact to basically reassign, if they don't want to be power of attorney anymore, their powers over me to another individual. And the attorney-in-fact can name that individual. It could be another family member. I also found out that there are law firms and attorneys out there that do handle and are made power of attorney-in-facts over people. There is a fee for that. Usually it's by statute under the what they're allowed to generate, but via the commission statute. So I kind of found that kind of interesting. The other one is basically the power of resignation. And what does this mean? The attorney-in-fact can resign at any time. They would basically provide a letter, a certification to the individual, if the individual is in their right mental capacity, stating that I am no longer going to be your power of attorney. Your successor can take over, or you need to go find somebody else and create a new power of attorney. I'm no longer handling this, and that person would also need to be notarized and then supplied to any of the banking institutions, any companies that you may have granted a power of attorney to, a copy of it that know you in charge. You would give that to them, saying, "Look, I am no longer this individual." So, power of assignment, you would also to backtrack really quick, in a power of assignment, you would also notify those companies and the banking institutions that you are no longer power of attorney and that they can forward all mail and everything to the new attorney-in-fact. As always, before you go about doing any of these things, consult with an attorney, consult with your estate planning attorney or your elder law attorney. I just thought this was a really fascinating topic. It was something that I've never really seen before. I also, what am I teaching? The other teaching point is, look, if you know somebody who may know it and you see yourself wasting 2, 3, 4 hours, contact them. Contact that individual and you'll get an answer in 5 minutes. I wish I thought of that a heck of a lot sooner. Again, consult with your attorney before doing any of these, taking any of these actions. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, if you are following, like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube, hit subscribe on YouTube. Give us a big thumbs up. If you know somebody that's going through an estate planning or probate questions, is contemplating estate planning, please share this video with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. If you'd like to set up a free strategy session with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com. I'd love to answer any and all questions pertaining to this video or any other estate planning or probate questions you may have. So, as always, I'm David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.